In today's video, I've got an absolutely awesome method to share with you which can be done from absolutely anywhere in the world. It doesn't take any money, you don't need any skills, and you definitely do not need to spend a lot of time on this method. So let me start right at the beginning and I'll walk you through this whole process because I'm actually doing this method, well I say I'm doing it myself, I'm outsourcing this work, but it's really simple to do. So let me walk you through this whole process. So step one is we come over to this website over here and it's called Clickbank. Now, if you don't know what Clickbank is, it's basically an affiliate network whereby you can come over here, you can find products that you can market and share or promote, and you can earn affiliate commissions for doing so. Now, on the left-hand side here, you have all of these different categories. If you click these arrows, it will, bring up subcategories or niches. Now, if we come up here, you can see we've got the name of the product, average conversion, so roughly how much you can earn per conversion. And then if you click here, you can see the actual sales page. And if you click here, you can find more out about the actual product. So the one I'm going to walk you through today is this one here. And the reason being is this is another niche that I've recently gone into. And I've outsourced all of the work and, this is running on autopilot, but I have a little bit of, extra money whereby I can do this. But if you don't have any money, don't worry because the process it isn't difficult. So if I come on here, in fact, let me click on the affiliate page and I'll show you how this works. So if I come over here, this is the affiliate page for the product, this one over here. And what that means is over on this page here, it will tell you everything you need to know about the product, but they will also give you resources, as you can see here, images, banners, email, and sales copy to help you promote this product and earn affiliate commissions. And if we scroll further down the page, you can see here, look, offer price is $67, so you will earn 75% commissions of $67. There's also upsells inside of this funnel, whereby you can earn an additional $102. It even shows you who this product is perfect for. So you can see on here exactly who it's for. Come down here, we can get images, we can get banners, we can get email swipes, articles, testimonials, and lots more. So they're giving you everything to, market and share the product. Straightforward and simple. So if I come back over here, if I wanted to be an affiliate for this, I'd simply click on promote, okay? And then I click on generate hop link. And this down here is my link. Now you might be wondering, how do I go ahead and get my account nickname? Well, basically, when you sign up to Clickbank for free, this over here, you decide on your account nickname or your username, basically. So that there is my affiliate link. So if I click on go to, it opens up in a new tab. And this is the sales page. But you see up here, look, hop equals fern 123. So anyone I send over here now, and they watch this, this video here, and they go ahead and purchase this product, it's tracked back to me and it means I will earn an affiliate commission. Pretty straightforward. So let's come back over here. So we've found a product, we're going to promote it, we've got our link, we've got all of this stuff down here that we can use to promote the product. Okay, so step one in this whole process is you would go over to this website here, go on Google and type in Google Sites. Now you see here, look, use Google Sites to create high quality websites for your team or for yourself. It's free. It's absolutely free. And basically you're creating a mini website and you don't need any special design skills or anything like that. And the aim of the website isn't to drive traffic to this, from search engines and, Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. We're going to use that essentially as a landing page. And I'll come back to that in a second for you. So we've got our product, we've come over here onto Google and we've literally signed up and created a free website, okay? Inside of your website, you can put any of this content on here, okay? So you see these email swipes, look, read men's minds, click on expand to read. You can go ahead and include all of this here on your website because again, we're not trying to get the website to rank, we're going to use it as a landing page, okay? But basically, all of the information on here, I would copy and paste this, make a few edits and put that over onto our free website. Okay? Straightforward and simple. Once we've gone ahead and we've put some of this content over on our free Google website over here, the next part is going to be the traffic. So we're going to find people. If I come up here, we're going to be looking for these people here who this product, would be useful for or who would find it useful. So the easiest method of doing this is coming over onto here, and we'll go onto Quora, and we're going to search for people asking questions related to the product that we're, an affiliate for or marketing. So let's come over here and have a look at this. So what is the product about anyway? So it is secrets men don't want women to know. So let's go on here, and we're just let's just type in, let's go back over here. Okay, single women are committed to. So basically I'm trying to find something related to this, questions what people would ask. So let's just go with, why do men lie? Who knows? Why do men lie? Why do husbands lie to a wife? So if we come back over here, come further on the page here, let's look at some of the email swipes, read men's minds. Let's go ahead and take that. Copy that. Let's go over here again. Let's just put that in there. And see if anyone's asking questions about this. How can we read men's minds? So someone's actually gone ahead and asked this question here on Quora. So basically what we would do here is we could actually answer this question and put a link back over to our Google website. Pretty straightforward. Now come back over here. So that's one question that you could answer here, and you could direct the traffic from Quora over to your free website on Google, and then inside of there you put your affiliate link, this one over here, this one that we got here, and we're sending the traffic over to the product or the sales page. Okay, now once you've answered this question here, look, you can go ahead and answer other questions down here, but basically all you're doing here is, let's just scroll down. Why men what? How to trust, again, look, that there would be a great question. So I'm going to take that, let's put that into Quora and see if people are asking questions. Look, how can one learn to trust again? How can I make, oh look at that, how can I make my boyfriend trust me again? So all of these here, these are all people who are actively asking questions related to this product over here that you're an affiliate for. So do you think they'd find this, useful or of interest to them? Absolutely, and especially if they're going on platforms like Quora here and asking the question. So you can go through and answer all of these questions. Look at this one. So you can go through and answer all of these. Come back over here. I'd then just go down to the next one. Secret reason men look over women. God, us men are complete shits, aren't we? Let's come over here. Let's have a look at this one here. Put this into here. And again, you could go through and answer these questions. And all we're doing here is we're looking for people asking the question, interested in our product. We would answer the question and put a link over to our free Google website. And inside of there, we include our link. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have time to be answering, all of these questions every single day. And I fully appreciate that. So what you can do, and what I do, or what I've got my team to do, is we use a piece of software, and it's this one over here. And inside of this software here, we're lazy. We're really lazy. So inside of here, I've shown this software on my channel before. You can use this for blogging, YouTube, and lots more. But if I scroll down here, I'm just going to find it. Where is it? Quora answers. Look, intelligent answers for tough questions. So I click on here and it opens up. And here, look, questions. So you put your question in here and then information to include in your answer. So if you wanted to include anything in particular, you would put that in here. So if I come back over to Quora, let's just click on this one here. Do women like it? Let's copy that. We'll come back over here. I'm going to put that into here, information to include in the answer. If you don't have anything to include here, you don't have to. You can just scroll down the page. Sorry, let me get rid of this. You can just scroll down the page and click on generate AI content. So I'm going to do that now. And basically, it's going to give me a template that we can use to answer the question over on Quora. And it works pretty quickly. So you can see on here, look. So this here is the answer. So I would copy this like so. Okay. I mean, obviously you'd read it and make a few edits to this, but I'm going to come back over here, and then I would click on answer, and I would paste that into there, like so. And then inside of here, obviously I would want to be sending the person or the traffic over from Quora over to my free Google website. So you could say, I found this article very useful, helpful, etc. Have a read here. Okay? And then what you would do is you'd take the URL. So at the top here, this is a URL. So you would copy this from your free Google website. You'd come back over onto Quora, and then you could just highlight here. You'd click on here, and then where's it gone? Sorry, I've done that wrong. We'd highlight here, and we would put our URL in here, and then you click on add. And now look, have a read here. So anyone clicks on here, and you can see it would send them over to your free Google website. Now, using this piece of software over here, I mean, it's absolutely awesome because you can see just how quick it works. And if you don't like any of the answers that it's give you the first time, guess what you can do? You can just click on generate AI content, and it will go ahead and create a lot more content for you. But what I'm doing with my, I say team, I use that word very loosely. What I am doing with my virtual assistants is they're going on Quora, they're finding people asking questions, about a certain topic, whether that is YouTube, affiliate marketing, different categories and different niches. They come in here and they're literally copy and pasting this here. And then over on Quora, they're just sending them over to, my Not Taught at School blog, or, my niche blogs or niche websites, or even sometimes different YouTube videos. But using this software over here, it speeds up the whole process. It's incredibly simple. It's incredibly easy. And you can go ahead and get this for free for 5 days. So let me show you this really quickly. So look, let Jarvis write your marketing copy for free. Basically, you can try it out completely free for 5 days, and that free trial will allow you to create 10,000 free words. So, if you don't want to use this for Quora, you don't have to, but it's an option for you. The other thing what you could do with this, if I come over to templates, you can go to blog, and you can use this to create blog articles for, your website or your niche site, whichever route you're going down. You can use it for lots and lots more stuff. But overall, it's simple and it's easy. Now look, do you need this software? No, you don't. If you don't, how it's come down here, I'll show you how much it is. I think it's $19. Yeah, it's $19 a month from memory, I believe. But just it, where is it? Not the pro version. Take this up to the top of pricing. I'm sure it's $19. Oh no, it's $29 a month. So, but like I say, if you don't have $29 a month and you have time, then you can literally go over to Quora and answer all of these questions yourself. But for $29 a month, it works incredibly well. It works very fast. And the other thing with this is, you can see on here, if I just scroll down here, they also include lots of free trainings with the software. So you can use this to look how to write and schedule your next 3 months of social media, how to write and publish a book on Amazon, blog posts. There's so many different methods that you can use this software to make money online. But as I've mentioned, you don't have to use this if you don't want. You can simply go over to Quora, find these questions and answer them yourself. So look, that's today's video. Hope it all made sense. I'll leave links to everything below for you, including the free trial and other bits. But look, I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.